Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use a Japanese voice on 11 Labs. So the first thing you want to do is to go to this website 11labs.io and choose the voice options here in the sidebar menu. The next step is to click on the collections section here and scroll down to the language options and click on Japanese. Once you click on the Japanese pack, it should open to a page like this. You see there are already 4 voices in this pack, and you can sample each voice to get a sound of what the voice would sound like for your project. So once you get a voice that resonates with your project, you can click on the add to my voices section here, and once you've added it to your voices section, you'll be able to edit it with your project and make it a good one. So this is how to add a Japanese voice over or voice to your projects on 11 Labs. If this video has been of help in any way, please consider leaving a comment below, and see you in the next one.